Good day, mate. In this video, we talk about why you should learn video editing. Whether if you are a content creator, marketer, or someone who wants to improve their skill. So let's get into it. First of all, if you have video editing skill, you could make money from it. Obviously, to make money from your editing skill is to work in digital agencies. This company provides videos, or their service is to make digital content or videos to government, to non-profits, and etc. You could earn money from it. Okay, and the next way, obviously, is to make your own content. So in the popularity of many platforms nowadays, you could earn money from it by your social media or your YouTube. Okay, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, everything. You could make money from it. Second of all, if you have editing skill, you could hire a better video editor. If you have a video editing skill, you know that a good video is like what? Okay, you have a benchmark of a good video, so you could hire a better video editor. Someday, if you make money from video editing, you could hire a professional to work for you to increase your video production effectivity. And the last and the most important thing for me, obviously, video editing is just plain fun. Video editing is my passion, so it's just plain fun for me. Okay? If you have any question, drop your comment below and see you in the next one. Have fun.